We're about to have some fruit. You excited? It's over there behind you, that's right. Mommy's cooking it up. You're gonna have fruit and oatmeal. You wanna talk about it? She's having oatmeal. She's liking it. Yep, she likes it. There it is. Look at her attack the spoon. Yeah, it's yummy.
Here, Bubs.
Ava? Alright, and in a minute we'll be on to this. She can't wait for that next spoonful. Soon we're going to have some of this. Apples. The apples, Ava. You ready? First bite. You'll like it. It's just new. Yeah, it's yummy. It's apples. Everyone loves their computers.
Sweet.
Sweet, like you. Eat some stuff, eat some stuff.
Here, let me taste it. Yummy. Oh yeah, now you like it. You like it?
Like it? It's apple. It's pork chops and applesauce. Yummy?
You're not used to it yet. Soon. Mommy likes it.